Ja, well, varför det? Was. So, we are out of 5 Mile on another one. Today we are getting a Ford Ranger.
I know this truck, I ain't no stranger. I know that truck, that's a Ford Ranger.
Looks like it has a broken knuckle. This one's one of Tiara's friends. Keep going on this or turn into there?
Shows keep going straight. You gotta veer off to the right.
Looks like a dryer.
People leaving their garbage.
Disgusting animals.
Maybe we should have brought the red truck just to throw a bunch of garbage in it.
We should do
a trail cleanup
out here.
Yeah, it's not really a fun trail to drive.
It's not a fun place to like four-wheel, but there's so many ATVs side-by-sides that just burn around this area. They throw their trash out everywhere.
Nice.
Makes quite the mess.
There's a Ford Ranger.
I believe that's it.
Hop out.
Is that your foot blocking it?
That was not
Okay, let's take a look at this. Looks like the lowest part down there is his AC condenser and radiator. I don't know if we're going to be able to use the sling at all.
All right, I'll get a little closer.
Okay. That's good. If we can keep it just on the bumper. That is terrible. This bumper's barely held on.
We could put it in front.
Yeah, it'd have
just on the frame.
I was gonna say right here,
Yeah,
but
just set it right there on the frame, and that'll have a big gap, like 8-10 inches between it and the condenser. That should be fine. Then we just chain it to the lower control arms. The nice thing is he already messed up his bumper, so we don't have to worry about it. And if we have these sitting right on the frame, I don't think it's gonna do any damage to anything.
yeah, we'll just chain it to the control arms.
All right. You got the keys?
Yeah.
Straight back. Okay, stop there. We'll have to start lifting it up and see where it's sitting. Okay, go forward. Yeah. It's at an angle, so as it comes up, it goes back. A little more. Okay, up some more. Nope. Down. Come back about 2 inches. Hair more. Okay, right there. Come up a little with the winch. Let's see. Came forward.
As you say, we need to go back a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, go down just hair and then come back a couple more inches. Okay, come on back. That's good. That should be pretty close. I think we should chain it there and then lift up. Are they both on that side or one on this side?
I think you put that one on that side, didn't you?
Yes, I did. Hard part is it control arm sitting right on the ground.
So I went on the inside of the control arm right next to the frame. Yeah, right in there. There should be some room there to get underneath it.
A little bit. Just bushes.
This is what we were talking about when we were building this bumper. You see this angle to pick up a normal vehicle? It's really, really, really steep. We don't love this kind of a steep angle. So before, the bumper was down here and I had these at the bottom side of the bumper. And so like it was all the way down here before, and these were a lot better angle for a normal. But the clearance, sometimes we really need it. So we're thinking of doing some sort of drop bracket system where it comes down and comes against the bumper here with the frame, and then it kind of a C, so it'll kind of hook here, come down and hit here, and then drop down to here that we can hook these on. And then when we flip this up, it will come out and kind of hook on top of that, and we could lay the sling down up there. So we got some stuff in the works. Let us know what you guys think, if you have any cool ideas. Are we good to try it?
Push back on this and I'll tighten it up and everything. Okay. Yeah, that's good.
Is that enough?
Yep. That should be pretty much the same as that side. Pull forward a little bit so it gets those chains nice and tight, and then lift up. Okay, now go up. Yeah, it looks good. Where it broke, right there.
Oh yeah, that's a lot of good clearance. Yeah, it looks good. We got clearance.
All right, you've got the keys. We can put this in neutral.
Okay.
Where do you guys want to sit? Just kidding, I'm not tall enough.
You get a close up of the carnage?
Kind of. You can see a lot better now that the knuckle dropped.
Yeah, so
over out of the way.
this is, I think that is a steel.
Lost the... It's cast, which you can weld to.
But
They have a special rod
it doesn't work great though.
that you can weld cast, but something like a knuckle, it would be like a last resort just to get you out. Definitely have to replace it. You wouldn't want to,
Yeah, you can't
like,
run it.
repair it and still drive it on the road. It doesn't work. So T's gonna launch the drone and we'll see if we can get some decent aerial footage for you guys.
You want to film
like,
while we're driving a little?
Up
or?
in the sky, not like, you know, the fish girl.
ditch, right? So if I go up here to the road, it's gonna be smoother?
It looks like they both kind of go over to the same area.
Yeah, but I think that one you have to go through the ditch.
Well, I don't know, there's one that goes, it's hard to tell, I don't know. I haven't spent much time over here.
Yeah, I haven't either. It's been years since I really been over here.
It hit, but it's sliding. The tires will start coming out. Good. Okay.
That worked out really nice.
Yep.
Coming away just fine?
Yeah, everything looks good.
And home free-ish. There we go.
I can finish tying this down.
He might need a new tire.
You need a birdie. Yeah, I do.
This
It's
one is
got a
still
little
good.
bit of a hole.
I'll take care of the bench.
Oh, he might need a new strap too.
Yeah, they got it wedged in there pretty good.
But that's okay.
That's okay, because these ones aren't any good. Need to get on our website, bentoffroadrecovery.com, and get you a Yankum rope.
Mallets.
Get you some. Well, there was the tires up at home before I go into the morning.
Well, I mean, if you're in traffic, I don't think it'll matter that much, but yeah.